Hello and welcome back to Ottershaw Cacti. I'm Lottie, and in this video I'm going to share with you general care tips on how to look after your succulents. First of all, let's start with what are succulents. Succulents are plants which store all of their water in their leaves, stems and body if it's a cactus. This is what gives them their plump, fleshy look. They come in all shapes, sizes and colours, from the classic aloe vera to stunning echeverias and funky lithops. Now, just because they're a succulent and they store lots of water doesn't mean their roots like to be wet. The golden rule is drench, drain, dry. Only water once the soil is bone dry. This is usually once a week during the summer and every 4 to 6 weeks in the winter, depending on your climate. And always use a pot with drainage holes so the excess water can drain out. Now, this bone dry shouldn't be confused with the amount of water that they do need. So make sure you completely drench your succulent and all of the excess water just runs straight out the bottom. Now let's talk about soil. We use a very free draining mix. You can buy this from us online or make your own using John Innes No. 2, some grit and perlite. Now we have covered what succulents are, how to water them and the soil that they like, let's talk about light and location. Succulents love light. Most thrive in a bright direct sunlight. Conservatory and a greenhouse is ideal, although a south or east facing windowsill is good. But they can also go outside for the summer, but would need to be brought inside as they aren't all frost hardy. If your plant starts to stretch out and is looking leggy, it's probably craving more sun. Top tip, make sure to Google your type of succulent or check out our other videos for more tailored information. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with other plant lovers.